did not know a single soul. No family waiting at the airport. No map for the road ahead. But we carried faith inside our hearts and trusted God with every step. Through every fear and silent prayer, His hand was guiding us gently. Then came the smiles we never expected, kind voices saying welcome. Doors open slowly, one by one, like light entering after a storm. A place to learn, a place to heal, a place to dream again. Opportunities we once prayed for began standing in front of us. Washington, we thank you deeply. Seattle, you became our home. Through kindness, peace, and opportunity, you helped our family grow strong. America, we remember every moment, every helping hand along the way. And through this music from our hearts, we send our gratitude today. Every name holds a memory.
Every memory holds a prayer.
Every prayer became part of this journey we will never forget.